We've talked about the importance of setting aside emergency supplies so that you're 2 weeks ready for a hurricane or other emergencies.
For one person, that includes 14 gallons of water, food for 2 weeks, a battery-powered radio, and flashlights and similar items.
But what if your ohana is a little larger, say 2 adults and a keiki? The same basic rules apply. 14 days of food, water, medication, and other necessary items, but you might also need to make some changes or adjustments depending on the age of the child.
An infant or younger toddler, for example, may need formula or baby food, depending on the diet that's appropriate for their age and usual eating patterns.
You may also need to consider the eating habits of older keiki, especially if they refuse to eat certain foods.
You may also need to include diapers or toddler pants in your kit based on your child's age, and you may need to adjust the contents of the kit each year as your child grows.
You can donate outgrown diapers to a diaper bank and food that's for a younger child to a local food bank.
Next episode, we'll look at an ohana that's a bit bigger and more complex.